How to create a reel on Facebook. Open the Facebook app. Click on plus icon at the top. Click on Reel. Select any photo from gallery. Click on Audio to add song to the reel. Select your favorite music. Music is added to your reel. Or you can also record a voiceover. Click on Text and write your text. Place the text where you want. Then click on Sticker and add the sticker on Reel. Click on Next. Set the settings to public so everyone can watch the reel. Click on Instagram. If you want to share the reel to Instagram, just turn it on, but I don't want to share it on Instagram, that's why it is turned off. Click on Location. Give the Facebook access to your location. Turn it on. Select the location. You also have the option to invite collaborator. Now type the message of reel at the top. Now click on Share Now. It is posted on Facebook when done. That's how you can create a reel on Facebook. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.